that there has been a real shift in the industry over the last year or two in terms of financial technology companies and fintech companies emerging in a market which are no longer just about disrupting traditional banks, which many of the more traditional sort of challengers like Monzo or Revolut or Sign, etc., have done in the past. Not just about disrupting those traditional banking models, but also coming out with an explicit social purpose. So whether it be about tackling climate change, whether it be about ethical shopping, whether it be around sort of having more inclusive products that try and include more people who have been traditionally underserved by the traditional banks and traditional players. So there's been quite a long, I think, evolution of that. And in the last kind of years, we've seen a real kind of fruition of companies coming to the market who are doing lots of interesting things in that space. So it becomes really important for us in the financial services industry to make sure that we're helping those people who may struggle more a bit with that transition, to ensure that no one is left behind. Because the risk is that if you just then kind of invest in digital, then you kind of say we're going to really double down on that area and not really kind of take into account those people who may not be as comfortable about using digital payments, may not have a bank account, as I say, may not have ready access to the internet and so forth. You potentially risk really widening the already material divide between people who are financially included and people who are not excluded. It's really important, in our view, that whatever is happening in terms of the changes right now, that we're not leaving people behind.